Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class, still on physics and indeed topic motion. We have today a very different kind of question from the ones we have solved, but you still see how simple it will still be. We have here that a ball is thrown vertically upwards from the ground with a velocity of 20 meters per second. Question is calculate the maximum height reached. Usually questions like this, one way or the other, or usually projectile questions, or will lead to projectile or solution to projectile motion. But let's stick to motion for now, even though maybe later we'll go to projectile motion. Now, we check out or write out what is given. Let's take here, given. We have that initial velocity, because it's moving from the ground, the velocity of this 20 meter per second. Let's assume it's u, that initial velocity 20 meter per second, and the acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second. The final velocity is not given, 0 meter per second. Now we are asked to calculate the maximum height reached. It's not given. That's what we are looking for. Now, from equation of motion for vertical motion, we will have that v square is equals to u square. Remember, if you watch the video, it's supposed to be plus 2gy. That is, and this could have been possible if the body was coming from up to down. Now it's going against gravity, so it's no longer plus, it's now minus. If you eventually solve it with plus, the answer will not be the same. By that, we'll be failing it. So because it's going against gravity, it's negative. Now, if we now substitute values from the formula, I have that v square is not given, so it becomes 0, equals to initial velocity is 20 square minus 2, acceleration due to gravity is 10 multiplied by y, which is the height and which is not given. That is equals to 20 square will be 400, and 20 multiplied by 20. Now minus, you have 2 times 10 is 20 multiplied by y becomes 20y. Now, therefore, this moving to the other side of the equation, we have minus 400 equals to minus 20y. Therefore, y here will be equals to minus 400 over minus 20. Minus will cancel minus. Y now becomes 400 divided by 20 will be 20 meter. Therefore, from the multiple choice, we discover that the answer here is B, which is 20 meter. As simple as that. So thanks for watching, and watch out for more problems in motion and indeed in physics. Bye.